We, Zhongshan Josoo Electric Company Limited, established in 2007. We are located in Zhongshan City of Guangdong Province, China. Is a professional manufacturer over 15 years manufacturing experiences, specialized in the research, development, and production of wine refrigerant product, such as intelligent wine coolers, cigar humidor, and refrigerators. Josoo are a direct supplier of Amazon's big brand wine coolers. Has a monthly production of 100,000 pieces wine coolers. Our major concerns are the environment, safety, and creativity. We aim to be a harmonized, creative company in response to the global concerns of environmental protection and safety. We work with our customers to deliver the creative green refrigerated wine cooler products to the end users. We aim to fulfill our responsibilities to society, including our company members and consumers' needs, by always thinking from the consumer's point of view. Josoo has cooperated with many well-known brands in China and abroad. From 2019 to 2022, it has successively won the National High-Tech Enterprise, Top 1,000 Growth Enterprises of Guangdong, Innovation Benchmarking Enterprises, Zhongshan City Quality Benchmarking Enterprise, and other titles. Has successively obtained CCC, CE, CB, ETL, ERP, DOE, EMC, ROS, REACH, and other certifications, and has been carried out ISO 9001, BSCI, ISO 14001 management systems strictly. Josoo is looking forward to cooperating with you.